time? 7 a.m. On our way to Scotch right now. It's freezing cold, and yeah.
It's not that cold.
Yo, should be a good sunrise, and yeah, hopefully we're there soon. Yeah.
On the way to Scotland, straight line's still on, pretty early. Getting good building this morning. Should finish a step up or...
Yes, everyone.
Should make the step up absolutely huge. Get everything running. Yeah, should be good. Yo, yeah, the boys. So nice this morning. You got to Scotchman's. Everything's looking pretty good. Yeah, Ari. Oh yeah, 35. Yeah, James. 30. There's the step up. You.
Yeah, Josh here. It is 2 hours who doing runs.
Up to 7 o'clock. New weights.
Share my way. So nice. Alright, more people have rocked up. It's looking good. Landing's bigger. Lip is fresh. Ari. Yeah, chair. Yeah, so getting some work done here. I get another time lapse because I forgot to film before. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking like a good landing at the moment. Good size gap. Lip's looking huge. Ew. Alright, here's the top of the jump for the running. Gonna have a jump there. Down into this. Ew, and sim. And yeah, down there, straight up into the freshly built lip. Should be very nice.
Yeah, Conrad, mate. Hard working or hardly working? Yeah, the boys. Yeah, Harper. Freshy burn. Oh.
That's not a flex.
It kinda is, bro. I fucking die with
Wait.
Yeah, the Scotchman's chippy.
Yeah, why did you bring your bike?
What are you getting?
I was supposed to sell them.
What are you getting?
Some Joshy D.
Oh, did you sell it? That's not too bad.
Yeah, the fish and chip feed. Yeah, the T-nickel pulled up. Mad feed at the chippy.
Chip from the chippery. Solid 8.
Oh, it's pretty good. Alright, we're here with Liam as well on the tools. Have to move this a bit forward because we're getting like way too much speed and landing fully flat on the fresher step up. Yeah, should be pretty good once we fix it. And, yeah.
It's gonna be raining then.
Yeah.
Hi, I've come back from a 15-year break.
15-year break.
I'm taking it all.
Have
You're
you
not
sold
even
both the
15,
bikes?
bro. I'm 15.
The cloud's kind of right off. It's gonna be like, I'd say, like,
Alright, freshened up 35 with Big Tyler. And yeah, Yari mate, it's looking pretty good. You should be running real nice. Alright, everyone else is up there. Some people leaving. We're gonna rebuild the 35 landing. Well, not rebuild, just add on dirt. Yeah, Liam, mate. And yeah, it should be pretty good. Stacking up some dirt now. Gonna make it wider. Should be like such a good jump after this. Alright, looks like the landing's pretty good. Yeah, mate. Shaped her all up. Done heaps of building.
sorry.
Lips looking real fresh. Lips looking so fresh. The landing's all squared up. Yeah, gonna go hit it now and get some runs in.
Yeah, boys.
Bang!
Yo! What's up, guys? We're back in. Another day out. We're at Scotchman's again, day 2. We're doing
Yeah.
building the landing up.
We got Jane. Yeah, we're building the whole landing up.
Watch this. Watch this.
Building the whole landing up. And yeah, it should be good as we got Tyler, Ari, Felix. Yo, everything's looking good. Look at 35
Way better
down
than
there.
yesterday, this jump.
So nice.
The landing's actually going to be hard.
Are you keen for step up today?
Keen for the
35?
fresh jump down there.
You.
We got Cobber.
Got Cobbs. Yeah, mate. Yeah, gonna
Alright, see you
build a
later.
lot and you.
Rappers all up, we flippin' with the funky rhythm I be kicking. Musician, inflicting composition of pain. I'm like Scarface, sniffing cocaine, holding an M16. See with the pen, I'm extreme. Now, bullet holes left in my peak holes. I'm suited up with street clothes. Hand me a 9 and out the beat flows. Y'all know my stilo, with or without the airplay. I keep some E and J, sitting bent up in the stairway, or either on the corner betting grants with the CeeLo champs. Laughing at bass heads, trying to sell some broken amps. G-Packs get off quick forever, niggas talk shit. Reminiscing about the last time the task force flipped. Niggas be running through the block shooting. Time to start the revolution, catch a body head for Houston. Once they caught us off guard, the MAC-10 was in the grass and I ran like a cheetah with thoughts of an assassin. I'm the young city bandit, hold myself down single-handed. For murder raps, I kick my thoughts alone, get remanded. Born alone, die alone, no crew to keep my crown a throne. I'm deep, I sound alone, cave inside 1,000 miles from home. I need a new for this black cloud to follow, cause while it's over me, it's too dark to see tomorrow. Trying to maintain, I flip, fill the clip to the tip. Picturing my peeps, now the ink can make my heartbeat skip. And I'm amped up, they like to champ up, even my brains in handcuffs. Headed for Indiana, stabbing women like the Phantom. The crew is lamping, Big Willie style. Check the chip to smell. Plus I profile wow. Stash through the flock clothes, burning dollars to light my stove. Walk the blocks with a bop. Checking Danes plus the games people play. Bust the problems of the world today.
It's yours. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
The world is yours. The world is yours.
It's mine, it's mine. Whose world is this?
How was it?
That was pretty good. Nearly nose case for 30 and managed to clear 35. Felt like I landed a bit heavy but I'm...
Guys, hey, shit.
Oh, wait. Yeah, it's good. And then like you, yeah, the cameraman.
Oh yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Alright, we all left Scotch. Going to the city now for a bit of urban free ride. There's everyone. Good day at Scotch and Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to see some urban free ride. But hit some mad stairgates. Might suss a Loma. It's gonna be mint.
Alright, we're in the city now. Doing some urban free ride. Yeah, Lewis? Oh, we're gonna go suss some stuff out. Oh no, not raw sauce. Hey, some lad got done on his star.